Hello, hi. We have just been staying at this really beautiful tiny house, and I thought that you'd be interested to see what it looks like. So, here we go. It's got a nice, interesting color to it, which I don't think I would ever pick that color, but I really like the way it looks here. Let's go inside. It's got some shelving units here. There's an entertainment stand here. And then we come in and we get to the bathroom. Flushing toilet, washing machine, storage. There's a bathtub here, and then the shower is here. You can actually close this shower curtain and move around like that. Just make sure everything's slightly more contained. And then here is the mirror. There's another mirror. And then just the living room. This is a bedroom here, so you can go up the stairs. And then that is a closet here for some storage. So I believe the lady that lives here, she's got her clothes all lined up. And then she has everything really nicely organized. Very nice decorations, just minimalistic, but just to give that homey feel, you know? There's a goat again. Really, really comfortable bed. It's just nestled in against the wall. I absolutely love it. I loved it. Back out here, there's a little ladder on the roof, which has these light fixtures that are hanging from it. Some plants for decoration. That is another bedroom, but it needs a clean. And I think that's the lady's daughters that live here. This is the ladder. There we go. That's the entrance we just came into. Table. It looks like the table could push back in. Lots of storage in the kitchen. I felt like there was loads of room, even though it looks quite small. Lots and lots of space. To be fair, we have been living in a camper van, so I mean that's not really saying much. Everything's gonna feel like it's got loads of space to us. But yeah. Another really cool thing. They have ducks. Hey guys. Hello. And then this is one of the goats here. Her name is Phryne. Phryne! We're gonna say bye. And then this is Dottie here. She's a little bit scarier sometimes because she'll come at me with her horns. They have a tendency to escape, so that's why they have these triangular things around their heads. They get out of their enclosure and then, yeah. There's this other tiny house that's in here as well, but it's quite messy. I think they just use it for storage. And there's a dryer inside of it. They kind of use it as a pantry as well. And there's also these guys. I don't know, they're probably hiding here. Hi. Hello. You want some food? You want some snacks? You want a snack? Is that good? And then there's another one back here too, but he's quite shy. I don't know if you'll see him. He's back there in the corner. Other interesting things. This is quite a large property. And she's got a garden here. So this is protected probably from, I don't know, wind, the goats, because they get out quite a lot. And there's this interesting structure here which she uses as a greenhouse. It's pretty cool. Very hot. And then our favorite is Rosie. She's this Sweeney who is so cute and so lovable. And we've been here 5 days and I'm gonna miss her so much. Do you want to hold her too? Boy. Boy.
Oh, I got kisses. Yeah, I did.
We were really excited to be here. And I've never experienced tiny house living. So that was something that I had always been interested in trying, especially since I wanted to do van life and see what just living in small spaces is like and living a more minimalistic life, you know? I find the bigger your house is, the more you collect things to keep in your house. Then people buy bigger houses so that they have more places to put their stuff. And that's not what life is about, you know? It's not about collecting as many things as you can. It's about enjoying what you have. And I mean, why do we need 3 bedrooms in a house where there's only 1 or 2 people living in it, you know? I understand some people like having a guest space and all that, and it's nice to have those extras, but I just find it quite unnecessary. I don't know, I'm really digging it, and I think one day I would consider moving into a house like this. It's really hard to leave it actually, because we've enjoyed it so much. So yeah, 12 out of 10 recommend. If you ever get a chance to stay in a tiny house, you should give it a shot. Let me know what you think about it. Do you think you could live in a space like this, or would you feel claustrophobic? Yeah.